with 3 simple materials. You'll need paper, glue, and paint. You can pause the video here to collect your materials. Scissors and markers are optional. Start by tearing or cutting the brown paper to create a tree trunk. I did this by making a long rectangle. Then glue it down onto the blue paper. Next, use your fingers to tear up small pieces of green paper in different shapes and sizes. Glue them to the top of the tree trunk to create the top of the tree. You can also glue some paper down by the base of the tree to create grass. Next, dip your pointer finger into the red paint and gently tap on top of the tree to create apples. You can add apples all over the tree or even down on the grass like you had seen in our story when Pip's apples fell. Most importantly, keep in mind that your tree doesn't have to look like mine. Use your imagination and have fun.